Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS454 LS6. And I filmed this one at the Mecum Classic Car Auction in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, November 1st, 2025. And it was actually in Fort Worth, Texas, where the auction was held. And I'll read off Mecum's sticker that they have, actually the paper that they have on the windshield. And it states 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle LS6 454 CI V8 4-speed. And it shows the VIN, which is a 13637OK, meaning it was built in Kansas City at the Leeds plant. And odometer reads 34,438 miles. Exterior color tuxedo black, interior color black, engine 454 cubic inch V8, transmission 4-speed manual. And then the highlights, date correct 454 cubic inch V8 engine, built by Jerry Janata in Illinois. Used all the best parts to build it. Then it says Monte M22 4-speed, manual transmission with new gears, 12-bolt positive traction rear end with new 342 ratio gears, and single-stage tuxedo black polyurethane paint with white SS stripes, rebuilt power front disc brakes, power steering, F41 performance suspension. And then it says, please note that this Chevelle LS6 will not be offered with any factory paperwork and has not been authenticated. And even with that, it bid to $130,000, but did not sell. And that's a great price for a non-authenticated car that isn't matching numbers. The motor or trans, they didn't mention if it was, so you got to assume that it wasn't. And it was a nice car. Somebody did a great restoration job on it. It was the right color, black with white stripes, with black interior. Anyway, that's today's featured car of the day. A 1970 Chevelle SS454 LS6 with a 4-speed that was restored, had rebuilt engine, all new parts, had a date correct 454 V8 engine with M22 Monte 4-speed transmission, was rebuilt, and new rear end, and a lot of new parts, but not documented and not numbers matching. So it had no factory paperwork and was not authenticated. And it still bid to $130,000, but did not sell at the Mecum Classic Car Auction Saturday, November 1st, 2025 in Fort Worth, Texas. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.